The right wax-hard wax is ideal for sensitive areas because it adheres to hair, not skin. Choose a formula free from harsh chemicals for minimal irritation. Research user reviews on popular DIY wax brands for guidance. Preparing skin. Exfoliate gently 24 hours before waxing to remove dead skin cells. Cleanse the area with a mild, fragrance-free cleanser to prevent infection. Ensure the skin is dry and free from oils, lotions, or deodorants. Trimming hair. Hair should be approximately inch long for effective wax adhesion. Use clean scissors or an electric trimmer to maintain consistency. Avoid shaving immediately before waxing to preserve hair length. Wax temperature. Always test a small amount on your wrist to ensure safe heat levels. Ideal wax consistency resembles thick honey warm, but not hot. Avoid overheating to prevent burns and unnecessary skin trauma. Applying wax evenly. Apply in the direction of hair growth using a clean spatula. Spread a thin, consistent layer to minimize mess and discomfort. Leave a small edge to aid in wax removal without extra passes. Wax removal. Hold the skin taut to reduce discomfort during removal. Pull the wax off quickly in the opposite direction of hair growth. Avoid pulling upwards to prevent skin lifting or bruising. Post-wax cooling techniques. Apply a cold compress to soothe the skin. Gentle, alcohol-free toner to close pores. Allow the skin to calm before applying any moisturizers. Prevent ingrown hairs. Exfoliate regularly after waxing 23 times per week. Use a chemical exfoliant like salicylic acid if skin tolerates it. Keep the area moisturized to prevent dryness and irritation. Aftercare products. Use aloe vera gel or a cooling cream to reduce redness. Choose fragrance-free, hypoallergenic products to protect skin. Consider products with chamomile or calendula for extra soothing. Consistent waxing schedule. Wax every 46 weeks to keep hair growth manageable. Avoid overwaxing, which can lead to increased sensitivity. Allow hair to grow to the ideal length before each session. Wax residue. Use natural oils like coconut oil to dissolve sticky residue. Wipe gently with a soft cloth for complete removal. Ensure no residue is left that may cause irritation. Waxing pain. Consider taking an over-the-counter pain reliever 30 minutes before waxing. Practice deep breathing or relaxation techniques during the process. Apply a topical numbing cream if extra sensitivity is present. Measures and hygiene. Use clean tools and replace wax if contaminated. Discard single-use applicators properly after each session. Follow basic sanitization protocols to prevent infection. DIY waxing environment. Work in a clean, well-lit space to ensure accuracy. Use a non-slippery surface to avoid accidents. All tools and products before starting for a smooth workflow. Ensure the selected tracks suit the video's educational tone. Thanks. Don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more.